A disturbing video circulating online has shocked the Nuer community across South Sudan and diaspora. In the recording, which I'm going to share with you after this speech, Governor Jacob Dollar, the Upper Nile governor and Nuer man himself, is seen speaking directly in front of the people of Nasir, making threats that are dangerous, unacceptable, and deeply shameful. This is not hearsay, this is not rumor, this is his own voice, captured on camera, speaking openly to the people. In the footage, Jacob Dollar boldly tells the Nuer community in Nasir, "Don't allow Kang Makane to sit among you. If anyone allow him, I will chase you and you will live as a slave in Ethiopia. I will kill any Nuer and displace them with gunship. I will destroy your livestock. Anyone linked with Kang Makane will face consequences." Every word is clearly recorded. Every threat is publicly declared. This is not a misunderstanding, okay? It is intentional intimidation. What makes this situation even more confusing and insulting is that Jacob Dollar and his associate later claimed they visited Nasir to promote peace. But the video showed the opposite. When the delegation talk, they talk about peace, about uniting the community there in Nasir. But in this video showed the opposite. Peace does not include threat. Peace does not include promise of killing. Peace does not include talking about enslaving communities. Peace does not include threatening to destroy cattle. Peace does not include threatening your own ethnic group. If a leader travels for peace, he does not use the language of war. The most painful part of this entire incident is that the speaker is not an outsider. He is Nuer, born from the same community, raised among the same people. A man whose children are descendants will still live among the Nuer after he is gone. Yet he stood publicly and threatened to kill his own people, to displace them, to harm their families, and to destroy their cattle, that of their livelihood. No amount of political loyalty can justify this behavior. No appointment or salary should push a leader to threaten the dignity of his own community. This is a betrayal, plain and simple. When a governor stands in front of civilians and is speaking like this, it increases fear, it deepens division, it encourages violence, and it teaches young people that threatening their own community is acceptable. This is the kind of speech that destroyed nation. It is especially dangerous because he claimed, "I was sent by Kirmi Yadit." Such a statement raises serious national questions that require clear answer from the government. Is this truly a message from president, or is Jacob Dollar misusing the president name to intimidate civilians? The public deserves clarity. The Nuer community in Nasir and everywhere else has endured enough suffering, displacement, and political manipulation. But they will not live in fear because of one miraculous statement captured on camera. The Nuer people are strong. They are united. They will not be threatened into silence or submission. No governor, especially a Nuer governor, has the authority to declare his own people a slave. No leader has the right to use community division as political tool. No political loyalty should come before your own people's safety. The video of Jacob Dollar in Nasir exposed a harsh truth. A leader who threatens his own community has already failed. A leader who speaks violence in public is not a messenger of peace. A leader who divides instead of unite is a danger to his people. The Nuer community deserves accountability. South Sudan deserves leaders who build, not destroyed. Jacob Dollar words are on video. They cannot be denied. They cannot be twisted. They cannot be erased. And they must be condemned to the fullest. Let me share with you his message.
mu yen kang makan wa jawe dorun bana yen ngam la yemo rek dañal ni yena te da kelge yen mu ca dolar a jan gwada mu yen kang makan jawe dorun ba wore pro wadan ngay je baga kat kun kado wa kun jar benen no chamo den dawu bul buño demeno lakin mu yen ñu la community te kat ka ko ngi do di ken ya ñu kun go yen sam kun sama si kun ba nga do ye baga nangan mais ca ben